Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. So today guys, I'm back with another interesting video. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. So I want to prepare pilau. So kindly join me. Let's do this. These are my ingredients. I have onions. So for your pilau to brown, you must have a lot of onions. I have blended tomatoes. I have salt. I also have garlic and ginger. Here I have boiled meat. I have oil. I have my rice, nishaosha, it's clean. And I also have, for the spices, I'm using black pepper and pilau masala. So guys, the first step you need to do is lazima uweke mafuta yako. Napenda kuweka mafuta kwanza, at least ikuwe moto, then I put in my onions. The oil is hot, so you can add your onions. Yeah, so for the pilau to brown, you must have a lot of onions. Yeah. Just leave it for it to brown a bit. Then I add my garlic and ginger. And also make sure you fry your onions. To avoid hizi za mwisho huku zisiungue. So just stir. So guys, what we need is the brown onions. So make sure your onions are brown, but zisiungue. Make sure they are brown. As you can see, zinaanza kidogo. So now the onions have been brown, as you can see. But make sure God has been brown. So continue stirring to avoid your zingine. So just stir. And at this point now, you can add your garlic and ginger. Give it a stir. The aroma is so nice. Huh? So nice. So now I'll add my let me add my spices, pilau masala. A little bit of black pepper, and give it a stir. Then nitaongeza my tomatoes. You can also use tomato paste if you don't have the tomato. The aroma, so nice. Smells so good. Now nitaongeza my salt. Give it a stir. So now, at this point, you can now add your rice. So make sure you stir it so that kila kitu you mix it completely. So make sure you give it a good stir. The next thing, I'm going to add my water. So my rice, I use 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to use 4 cups of water. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it boil. So now my pilau has started boiling, so I'll just leave it to boil. Then I'll come back and check maji ikienda kuisha. I'll just come and check. Ndo acha nipunguze moto, cause ikienda kuiva you must reduce the heat ndo iive tu polepole. So then you see now it's maji is almost delicious. So what I'm going to do is you just have to cover it with this foil. Cover it very well. So your moisture, if you evaporate, make sure you cover it. Then reduce your heat. Yeah, reduce ndo ive sasa polepole hapo. So guys, our pilau is ready. It's that simple, by the way, guys. Mmekuwa mkinunua huko nje pilau, so now you can cook it kwa nyumba. That's easy. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. So until the next video, guys, bye.